Okay, so welcome to another fake guru review, and by fake guru it's just marketing title because sometimes we found somebody who has actually good courses, and today we will review Tai Lopez and his e-commerce course. So basically class number one, how to get more paying clients, and they will teach you so you can take a website and put it to Google page test, and then those results you will send over email to the owner of the website and you will offer them to build a better website for them. So it's lesson number one. Lesson number two, if you work in e-commerce, email marketing. It's completely basics about email marketing, that you should build a list of emails and send them your offers. And basically there are some templates from those gurus, but we have a lot of experience with email marketing, and I must say you cannot use templates, so this is useless for you, because you need to spend time, hire a copywriter or write it by yourself and test the email sequence, so you will send first email, second, third email with offers, and you see click-through rate, open rate, if they buy products, and then just if the statistic is wrong, you will repair the email, rewrite the email. So email marketing is lesson number two. Lesson number three, Facebook fan pages you should use. Basically, if you can see it in the preview, it's like multiple niche about dogs, cats, and so on, tactical guides, and then they post their offers on the Facebook page. Problem with Facebook page is you need to create page and get their people. If you can do it, it's a hard, long work. Yes, sure, you can use it, but as I said, it's super hard. Programs, email, creating digital products. Basically, it's their next niche, because they are selling digital courses. So basically here you can make like PDF courses, you can sell them, you can make video, you can publish it on Udemy or Coursera or platforms. So if you didn't know that exists something like Udemy and Coursera, now you know. Then you can make webinars to get clients. Okay. And for your clients' webinars, you can go live, you can do pre-recorded webinars. You should say there who you are, what problem you solve, and so on. So really beginner's info. Then profit cycle of the client. So basically, if you acquire a client, you have him like longer on the platform. Like for example, if you are selling courses, you can sell him another course and another, and you can measure it, how much the client will spend with you. So in like half a year, in a year, he will spend with you, like first purchase of first course is 20, then another course $20. So in a year he spent around 50-100 euros. So you can know you can spend below this amount on Facebook marketing. So summary for this course: you can Google all those keywords on YouTube and have more info for free. So not recommended. Sorry, Tai. And repeat again in the end what we do here. So basically, subscribe, hit the bell, and asking comments for review on another gurus and courses. If you want me to make some summary, a little bit better than in this video, like in-depth summary, I can do it, but it's a lot of work, so I want to see you really want it, guys. So comment that you want a summary and short short summaries basically.